Hi everyone, so today I've received my little fan that I purchased from Amazon. So it comes in this little small box. And so this is the Better Tech Life little mini fan that I purchased. And it comes with a clip. Okay, and then of course with a USB cord. So it's great for like these small SUVs or RVs. I mean, like if you're wanting to, you see, have a fan while you're working with the dishes. And I'm just gonna connect it here with a USB. And so then from here on, you're going to press this back button at the back, and it has different speeds of fan. Of course, press it again, it has a stronger airflow. If you want to change it to a different area, just unclip it. And so now I'm going to be putting this in my bedroom RV, and it's pretty sturdy on this. There you go. And I'm going to clip it on here, and this of course it just moves. There you go. So that way you get some fan. Okay, and right now it's in the light speed, but let me get this tissue so you can see this is the light. There you go. So if you want to strong your air, and then I think it has 3 different settings. Oh, there, I turned it off. That was a lot. It has 3 different settings. So this would be the strongest one. And you can swivel this around so it can hit you while you're laying down, or maybe you just want the air to go up to increase that airflow for this way. So it's pretty neat and pretty compact for RVs.